In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a citation with multiple sources in Microsoft Word. Proper citations are an important part of academic and professional writing because they acknowledge the original sources of information used in your work. In many situations, a single sentence or idea may be supported by more than one reference. Fortunately, Microsoft Word includes built-in tools that make it easy to add, organize, and manage multiple citations within your document. In this guide, you'll learn how to add several sources and include them together in your text while keeping everything properly formatted. Start by opening your Microsoft Word document. Once your file is open and ready for editing, look at the ribbon located at the top of the screen and select the References tab. This section of Word contains the tools used for citations, bibliographies, and source management. It is the main place where you will handle references throughout your document. Before adding any citations, it's important to select the citation format required for your work. Within the Citations and Bibliography section, locate the Style menu. Click the drop-down menu and choose the formatting style that your document requires, such as APA, MLA, Chicago, or Harvard. Selecting the correct style first ensures that every citation you insert will follow the appropriate formatting rules automatically. Next, click the Insert Citation button. A small menu will appear, and from that menu choose Add New Source. This will open a dialog box where you can type the details of your reference. Enter the necessary information, such as the author, the title of the work, the publication year, and the publisher. Once the information is complete, select OK to save the source. If you plan to reference multiple materials in your document, repeat this process for each one so they are all stored in Word's source list. After adding your sources, place your cursor in the exact location where the citation should appear in your document. Return to the Insert Citation option and choose one of the sources you previously added. Word will immediately insert the citation into the text according to the style you selected earlier. If a statement in your document needs to reference more than one source, simply insert the first citation and then repeat the same process to add the next one directly after it. Microsoft Word will format the citations correctly so they appear together in the proper style. If you ever need to review, update, or organize your references, go back to the References tab and select Manage Sources. This feature allows you to edit existing entries, add new sources, or reuse references from other documents, making it much easier to maintain consistent citations. Using these tools helps keep your document organized, credible, and professionally formatted, especially when working on research papers, reports, or academic projects that require proper referencing. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.